Oh, you're on the screen too.
Yeah. Needed to get away from Chris and Joker for a little bit.
What do you think? I'm here.
Good point.
Why are we even in the ocean?
I have
Like,
no idea.
how as well?
No idea, but I've learned to just not question it at this point. What the fuck?
I told you I'm faster than the damn train! No, wait, no, no, come back! No!
Hello there.
Oh, Lauren's online. She's waiting for us. God damn it, guys, we need to go. Guys, we need to go.
Go! Come on, we need to go! Go!
Booyah, bitches!
There you are.
Hiya.
Oh, that's just rude.
What?
he pulled. Hello there.
Hello there.
Hi, Nate.
There he goes.
You stop trying to look up our screen.
Give it.
I play on PC, I don't have. Oh, you want to go, Freddy? Get back here!
Yeah, he does that.
Maybe you should lose some of the clothes.
Seriously.
Okay, Thompson, what are you meant to be?
What are you?
I'm a slime.
Cool.
Interesting.
I'm just a slime hopper. And my friend just sent me a Full Metal Alchemist joke and I hate him for it.
Care to share?
You think alchemy is expensive to learn? Because I've heard it costs an arm and a leg.
But I'm
That's all. That's all.
That's Ewan, by the
Here,
way.
allow me to kill you in place of your friend.
I've gotta ring the
No,
operator.
it's Ewan. You can kill Ewan. It's yes, of
What was
course.
that?
That was Sonam.
That was the not funny bill.
Is that a sound effect, or do you actually have a whole ass bell right next to you?
I just have a fucking bell.
Ooh. Nice.
It's the only one that's quest friendly, so
Might steal that off you in a bit.
why not do it now?
Because I haven't saved this one yet.
You should probably do that then.
Save it.
Probably.
Oh, she's one of mine.
Might unfavorite this one to save this one instead.
How many do you have?
25.
Exactly 25? I've only given you like 5. Like, holy shit, what have you been finding?
I've been stealing some off
All
Nate.
of us. And me.
Oh. You literally just stole all of Nate's femboy avatars, so...
I think she's stolen 2 of mine.
No,
Ta-da!
there we go.
Aizawa avatar?
He does.
Yeah?
I searched Aizawa and I found a naked anime girl.
That is horrible.
Hi, father.
You have 2 daughters now.
Twins!
Twinsies! Scratch that, I found 2 naked anime girls.
Where is it with you and the naked anime girls?
I don't know, I searched for Aizawa.
Is this the only Eri one that there is?
Let me see. Well, actually, after Joker's done here, I want to get this content.
You're all problems.
Hi, Daddy.
Yep.
Hello.
Why?
I don't know.
Because it's adorable.
Stop lying.
It kind of.
Would it be cursed if I made Hiccup's voice come out of my mouth now?
Do it.
Oh,
No hero can be a one-trick pony.
Oh wait, what did you just do?
This is fun, do you? And the last
Hey!
person
Use my
will be
quirk.
expelled.
The art chat is a world filled with pure and wonderful people.
You're now getting younger.
I'm okay with that.
If your microphone's really low, everyone's really loud. I can't hear you, Sonam.
You're made out of constantly shifting polygons.
Yep. I'm
I did-
PS1 Chuck Norris.
It kind of hurts my eyes.
Ooh,
Ooh, that one has colliders.
this one has physics.
I like how I can just look into the mirror.
Jesus.
I just- What did you just do? I like how I... Oh, Jesus.
Oh, Jesus. Hello.
I'm just standing here menacingly. Why?
Oh, Jack.
Why can
Funny.
PS1
Funny,
Chuck
Jack,
Norris fly?
Oh, because he's Chuck Norris.
Why wouldn't Chuck Norris be able to fly?
I'm not flying. The air has given me consent.
Because I'm currently at crotch and ass level.
Simp.
Fucking what? Oh, no. 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 No.
What?
There's actually 100 of these, though.
Chuck Norris was born in the log cabin he built. Chuck Norris doesn't run out of time, he runs after it. There once used to be a street called Chuck Norris, but it was changed because nobody crosses Chuck Norris.
You taking pictures of everyone?
Chuck Norris has already been to Mars, hence that is why there is no signs of life. Magicians can walk on water. Chuck Norris can swim through land. Chuck Norris doesn't flush the toilet, he scares the shit out of it. Chuck Norris will never have a heart attack. His heart isn't that foolish. There is no theory of evolution. There is only a list of animals Chuck Norris has allowed to live. Some people wear Superman pajamas. Superman wears Chuck Norris pajamas. Chuck Norris once created his own brand of toilet paper. Unfortunately, it didn't take shit from anybody. Chuck Norris destroyed the periodic table because Chuck Norris only recognizes the element of surprise. When the boogeyman goes to sleep every night, he checks under his bed for Chuck Norris.
Found another Kakashi avatar.
Of course you did. Enjoying the show?
Great. I'll see your fish. Chuck, chuck, chuck. I'm doing some ventriloquism. Hey, Joker. What's the joke?
Beaten to death by a lolly.
I don't know. Okay, I'm done waiting for the others. Let's go do some shit.
I'm small.
Fish, mood.
It is becoming increasingly obvious. He can
I
deny,
can deny it no
longer.
longer. I'm small.
I am small.
I am smaller.
Yeah, you're definitely cuter.
Nah, that would be you.
Welcome.
Hello there.
I mean, welcome. Sorry, wrong Joker voice. What's happening to my hand?
Also, I gotta love the whole father-daughter aspect we got going on here.
Don't speak to me or my daughter ever again.
Yep, there he goes.
So, everyone click on generate cards, and you will get 3 white ones and 3 black ones. You can only pick 1 white and 1 black. Then after that, you'll be given a third card after everyone's picked. So when you pick 2 cards, let me know, and I'll press the button over there. Alrighty, I'm gonna press the green button, and that's gonna cause your third one, and then we're all gonna compare. Well,
Okay.
alrighty, should we go? Let's go clockwise. Yeah, let's go clockwise. So, Tuxin, you first.
So, Joker, your man is a pinata armed with a trident.
Excuse me?
Your man is a pinata armed with a trident.
Wow. Literally my mom, wow. Alright, so now... Can you stop that?
Pikachu piloting a Gundam can't stop sobbing.
Right?
It's one
Han-
electric mouse.
Hannibal Lecter in a spacesuit and can see exactly 3 seconds into the future.
Ooh. I can see why you're giggling now at your third one. And Lauren?
A vampire whose entire body is very sticky and armed with holy hand grenades.
Oh.
Oh. And last for me, a dragon riding a flying narwhal wielding huge silver revolver.
That's a big no.
Okay.
Or a very small dragon.
Possibly a really small
Just
dragon.
A dragon. It's gonna go for Nate. Hannibal Lecter that can see 3 seconds into the future.
So do I add?
And the
So do I add?
I need.
Oh, or
No, we all vote, and whoever gets the most votes gets the wins the point.
okay.
Pretty sure.
Ah, there we go.
So, Lauren, who do you vote for whilst you're spinning your things around?
I want to say Toxin, because it was funny.
Alrighty. Nate, who do you vote for?
I vote for Lawrence.
And
Yeah, definitely.
Oh yeah,
Let me just,
the extremely sad Pikachu in a
let
Gundam.
me just...
I can't.
so now, did you vote for Tuxin? You said.
Yes.
Alright,
There
Tuxin,
you
you
go.
got 2 votes. But who are you voting for?
And I'm voting for you, Joker. I like the
Alright,
dragon.
Tuxin wins the first.
Not right.
Tuxin wins the first round. Tuxin, give yourself a point.
Hooray!
Ready?
Yeah, baby!
Ready? And reset. And once again, just generate your cards. Boom. This time this goes. Brony whose tongue can stretch and move at will and has vampirism.
I hate it. Thank you.
Ash Ketchum, leading a harem of fighting girls covered in eyes.
Okay, just a horde of eyeballs.
So mine is a Viking who throws antiques and is armed with pepper spray.
Sounds like me in the modern day. Mine
I'm
is
so
Loki, armed with a live T-Rex head on a stick, wearing a scuba suit.
I mean, he's ready to fight Aquaman. He's ready to fight Aquaman with that.
A live T-Rex head on a stick. Yeah.
Right, what I've got is Abraham Lincoln, who can control gravity, wearing a tinfoil hat.
There's no drawback.
Yeah, there's no drawback to that.
So my vote's gonna have to go to Loki with the living T-Rex head. 'Cause that's
Same.
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 Yeah, that's all votes for me.
Hey. Wait,
Completely unanimous.
New round.
Oop, shit.
Start off.
Okay.
Oh no.
So I have Sonam, can control opponent's right hand, and has vampirism.
What?
Just player to your left.
Oh.
Player to your left, so Sonam.
Player to your left
Sonam can control opponent's right.
Your right hand.
and has vampirism.
Okay, so I have
That's a power
Doge.
that no one should have.
I have
Again,
Doge,
Sonam.
armed with a
No.
You say that again, what's Tuxin's double biscuit?
punch yourself.
Actually, Sonam, can you check your mic out?
I should probably not have actually punched my headset, but oh well.
Yeah,
Doge,
you
armed
probably
with
not.
a shot.
Probably not.
Are you guys done?
Doge, armed with a Doge, armed with a shotgun that shoots fireballs, shoots lightning. Drawbacks, what are those? Never heard of.
So mine is a clown who just rolled a critical success, but is suffering from delusions of grandeur.
So
Whatever.
he only imagined rolling the critical.
Yes.
So that just sounds like my average D&D session.
So you're the clown then.
Ash Ketchum again, who has a pet dire wolf who can't see.
Ash or the wolf?
match with the
I'm
flying
gonna say the wolf.
Okay.
And finally, mine is the Pope piloting an attack drone with the One Ring.
Christianity in a nutshell.
Oh.
I
See, that I
was gonna go
can't.
to
That
Lauren
I
just
can put it in
because-
the video because that's just true.
I'm
Unlike
voting
Hades.
Lauren for the direwolf.
Mine's a
I'm voting
direwolf.
Lauren for the-
Mine's going to Joker.
To my right. Oh, I'm voting for Texan.
I'm voting Toxin.
I'm voting Joker.
Ooh.
So it's 2 and 2.
So it's a tie between me and Joker.
Tiebreaker, first one to jump off wins.
He actually fucking did. He loses. It was a
I'm gonna
trick.
say we both add a point because I think that's the rules. I think the rules is you both add a point.
Okay.
What do you call a group of humans?
Porcupine
infestation.
That was-
Have you guys
Oh.
switched places?
No. You move closer to him, Lauren.
Yeah, you did move closer to
Oh.
him.
I'll move back next
Alrighty.
time.
You don't like being near me?
No, I think we should all be closer.
Trust me, I'm as close to
Well, I
you
was
people
the
as I
one.
want to get.
On that note, mine is-
No, Jesus Christ!
We love you too.
So, what did you say about being close?
Now you are uncomfortably close. Get the fuck away from me.
to repeat that again, motherfucker?
And we're out of here. Fuck all of y'all. I love how 3 out of
Please
4
tell
of
me
you.
you got me waving. Please tell
I
me
don't
you
think
got
I
me
did.
waving in the far distance. Ah!
I think that's in the center of this.
Nope.
Alright, take two.
That was a one take thing. We can't redo that.
No, we're doing it again now.
Anyway,
Not get that.
Motherfucker.
Honk. Blah, blah, blah.
Blah, blah, blah.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, hey, Chris. What
Oh,
the
Chris.
fuck?
Oh, Chris! There you are.
Yes.
Ah, the screaming department comes back.
it is. You better scream louder, bitch. Chris, you know how to play. No. An assassin armed with a shrink ray and can become any animal.
Mine is a weeaboo who can heal 100 times faster, who is piloting an attack drone.
There's that attack drone again.
Oh god. So mine.
That's basically just a rumor, Will.
Okay, so mine's the devil.
Okay.
Mine's the devil on a Segway who is armed with a phoenix feather wand.
Mine is Vegeta with 2 extra
Vegeta?
arms, riding a hoverboard.
Mine is a whale that throws fireballs that's 10 stories tall.
I have the card captor, who's at level 90 and can dig and run through tunnels with super speed.
I'm voting for the whale.
I'm voting for Sonan because he sold me. He absolutely sold me on how Vegeta having 2 extra arms makes him more powerful.
Yeah.
2 Gallic guns with 2 final flashes at the same time.
What about 4 bit bang attacks?
Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah, Sonam wins here.
Yes, I'm voting for Sonan because of the big bang attack.
And Chris?
Yeah, I'm going with Sona.
Alright, Sonan wins.
Again, unanimous.
So is that we just have to crowd Nate again? So no, Chris, come join in on this.
Well,
Okay.
Am I close enough yet?
No.
close enough.
Yes, go away.
Why don't you make us go away?
Come back here. Personal space alive.
Shapoopy, shapoopy.
So, I've got a very bad idea. Hey, Nate.
What?
Right controller stays alive for at least 5 more seconds.
The inside of your head.
Nope. 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 I'll pay you never to do that again. And Lauren, I'll pay you to do that again.
Ada, ada.
Get him out of here!
Is this out content enough for you?
Do you have a moment to talk about our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ?
No.
Oh! Excuse me.
Honk honk.
Is it wild card time?
I love my white cards. My black cards.
Who
are
honked me?
garbage.
Yes.
That was Nate.
I'll just go for this. Alright, is everyone ready?
Next time, just ask. I'll let you.
Woo, really? Well,
Down, boy.
may I?
Go on.
Down, boy.
Honk, 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 honk.
You were just here!
What are you doing with him? What did you do? Okay, different question. What did you do to him? Now that's the secrets I asked for. So tell me, reveal your secrets.
Honk, honk.
Picked on my end. I don't see any cards.
Honk honk.
Did you just rip my ass?
I have Gandhi, who has the one ring, and his mustache can stretch and move at will.
I have the Link on a battleship with super endurance.
Okay then.
Okay then.
For mine, I have Michael Jackson with a venomous bite. Their actions are super effective.
What was the last one?
Against children.
Their actions are super effective.
Against children.
Against children.
I can't even take credit for that one. I think it was Chris who said that first.
That was close.
Yeah, it was. Yes, it was.
Still dark.
Everyone at anime conventions have an invisibility cloak and are currently riding a depressed centaur.
Well,
Yep.
Damn.
That's an awesome.
SunnyCon's gonna be a different experience.
what are you talking about? This sounds exactly like SuperFight experience.
True.
Velociraptor, captain below 200 miles an hour, winds, and on a battleship.
Whatever content you guys think you did, I didn't catch.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Alright. Alright, quick, I'm voting Chris. Lauren?
Yeah, Chris.
There you go.
I need to remind myself what Chris is. Yes.
Alright, well, if we're done with this world, would you all like to join me on the Great Beyond?
Yes.
Sure.
And this will be the transition. Yeet!
Hello.
Oh, them boobs though.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Well. So.
Honk, honk.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Well, this is quality content.
And he's just taking this out of context.
Oh, everyone just joined it. We'll be fucking nilly. Alright, controls are over there. Nice and simple. The controls and instructions are over there.
Okay, so this is kind of like hide and seek. It's just, or rather, this is like prop hunt.
So I was saying it's like Pokemon Hunt, except all the props have Sudoku.
I'm jerking off your nose.
Oh, great.
Okay.
It's team Roshi again.
Ah!
Someone. Oh, hello. Hello there. Who's trying to hide?
No, that wasn't them. They're still all throughout the map. We have to.
Oh, if you shoot the wrong one, you slow down. That's it. If you shoot the wrong one, you slow down.
Oh, Chris is with us.
Chris is on Team Roshi. We need a new team name, but don't worry about it.
I can see barrels moving.
Where?
On the other side here.
All right, so I'll keep an eye on the barrel up here. You guys go forward. I'll keep an eye on the barrel to our left here. Good. Get our thing
Stop moving to the right.
forward.
Wait, so can they not
Three
do
of them right
avatars?
there. No.
Oh, okay.
By the way, I could hear you guys talking.
Oh. Well, that sucks. Can they see avatars? No. I can hear you.
Where's Lauren? Ah, she's hiding. Okay, what about you, Joker? Where are you? Oh God, I can't watch it.
What the fuck?
Oh God. I can't watch any of them inside their face. I wish we could hear what was going on.
I know, that'd be better, wouldn't it?
I don't know if Lauren understands that she does have to find people. Oh.
So when it says the trigger, does it mean the trigger on the VR set, like what you'd normally use to shoot?
Yeah.
Like where your finger is?
Yes. You got killed.
Yeah, it turns out that everyone else can actually hear when we're talking. I didn't realize, so I died.
And I made sure I was
"Can
like,
they
I'm
see
not
avatars?"
talking, I'm not saying a word.
I was like, can they say avatars? No, we can hear you though. I couldn't see my barrel because my boobs are so like stick in the way. I can't even like see my feet.
I saw what you went with that.
I like how you guys did not notice Nate dying. I like how you guys did not notice Nate dying.
By the way, I killed Katie because you two were talking to each other.
Oh, you can hear us.
Yes, we can hear you. You stole my Fit Boy.
What?
Stop right there, criminal scum!
I'm so cute and small. No, actually, I don't like this. It's too small.
Oh well, this is getting silly.
Well now.
This is familiar.
They're to the right. They're to the right. I can hear them typing. I can hear you over there. Alright, watch my back.
Aha! It was one of them! Get back here! I know you're around the corner. I'm not going to do it.
Hello there, Nate. Enter my lair.
I cleared the other side. They've got to be in the maze.
And so on. Enter my lair. Now, which one of the barrels am I? I'm not that one. That was Brother Billy.
There's someone.
Found him.
Nice. This really is just indiscriminate destruction of barrels.
Can't really do much else, can you?
True.
By the way, what happened? Did the rest of them get killed
I think so?
already?
I lost track of Joker a bit ago. Okay. I think that's all the barrels in here.
So, future Joker here. For some reason, when Nate rendered this, the background music, you can barely hear it. The background music came out fine, but for some reason, the recording audio, yeah, there's me. It was a really funny bit as well. It's so sad. I was pointing out how Katie thought she was invisible, but she wasn't. Trust me, it was actually funny, and so was everything else everyone was saying here was absolutely funny. The main reason I'm keeping this in is because the transition here at the end is really nice and smooth, and I didn't want to ruin it. Thankfully, the audio we did for the end joke wasn't ruined. And fade. Enjoy.
Now onwards to find the gold.
What? Ooh! Whoa, someone's already found it for us.
Oh
yeah.
yeah, gold!
Well, that was relatively easy.